Hey everybody, Marcel here from TYGER Auto. Today I want to show you guys how to install our sport bar on the back of a Jeep Gladiator. TYGER's sports bar is made from heavy-duty carbon steel and features a mount for a 30-inch light bar to sit on top of it. It's also compatible with our T3 and T5 tonneau covers, and installation is super simple. With that being said, let's get right into the installation. Review the installation manual to make sure that all the parts and hardware are accounted for. Then remove any tonneau cover you have installed. Start by threading the fish wire to the washers and bolts. Then insert the bolts into the front cross tube and fish them out of the holes on the opposite side. Then cover both areas with the sleeves and connect them to both driver and passenger side support tubes with the bolts. Then slide the plastic cover to the bases of the tubes and attach each end of the base brackets for both sides. Proceed to install the decorative plates to the top and complete the assembly. Now we are ready to install the assembly to the truck bed. Recruit help from another person to help with this step. But before we continue, make sure you follow the right steps depending if you have the utility bed rails installed, for which the hardware you will use will be vastly different. After you've confirmed if you have rails installed, remove the tie downs and slide the bolt plates into the bed rail. Feel free to use the base plate to figure out the positions. This Gladiator doesn't come with the rail, so we'll go ahead and lift up the assembly and place it on the bed sides. Align the threaded holes on each side with the brackets and proceed to install the hardware to secure the assembly. Adjust the positioning and only tighten the hardware when you're happy with the result. After that, finish the installation with the rubber plug and logo plates. And if you're adding a light bar, follow the instructions for your light bar assembly and attach the light bar brackets that come with the package along with the track.